Now available from iGaging and ChipsFly.com. Multifunction layout squares in a 2-piece set. Offering parallel and perpendicular layout, precision angle marking, center finding, markings for standard joinery layout, and more. Each set is shipped in a protective box and includes a mechanical pencil and replacement leads. Both 12-inch and 6-inch precision squares are solid aluminum and laser cut on state-of-the-art CNC equipment. The squares are accurate within 0.02 of an inch along the length of the thin 2mm blades and are engraved with 16th and 32nd inch marks on both sides. Each handle includes a scale to provide hands-free support and includes further engravings for multiple tasks. Plus, rare earth magnets in the base allow secure attachment to cast iron surfaces. Parallel layout work is a breeze using the precision drilled locating holes along the blade. Perpendicular lines are just as quick and accurate. And by using the milled offset in the handle, you can quickly mark 45-degree lines anywhere on your work. Angles other than 45 degrees are a snap using the precision drilled location holes on the blades, ranging from 5 to 60 degrees in 5-degree increments. Lines are quickly drawn by locating from the corner marking on the handle scale. An additional bonus is the center finding rule. By starting from a predetermined location on either side of 0, such as the 1-inch or 2-inch mark, the blade is laid angled across the piece and the center is quickly found and marked. The sturdy handle design allows the squares to stand on their own, but rare earth magnets in the base help secure the squares to cast iron surfaces for easy machine setup, and they also allow for handy storage. If you're looking for a premium multifunction square, then you found it with these iGaging layout squares. Don't miss out, order yours today.